Today we are going to take off the wheel and try and get a better idea about that strange noise that is most likely a warped brake rotor in everybody and myself's opinion. So I can find out a little bit more about this by taking off the wheel, and let's have a look. I have my newest fix for the sunroof slider, which I did put on Instagram, but I did not put here. What we have is a Velcro piece, the hard side of a Velcro. There, it looks like it's coming up. And it's curved up at the back like a little bumper. And it's just thick enough where the cover slides on real hard, but it's just a nice, like, hard feel, not like, you know, the rubber or anything that's going to just move and mesh. It's just a nice solid lock in there. These things have not moved at all, so this is definitely my favorite. No more dealing with magnets and the glue getting loose all the time. So what I'm finding kind of sucks is I can't really get enough speed and torque to even make the noise without the wheel to help it along. I'll give you some examples here. Now, I'm unwinding the lug. I'm not hearing it. Now, of course, super unscientific, but what I did was actually took off the other side too to compare the stiffness. I'm going to take off this caliper, of course, now since it's right here, and just make sure that everything's nice and loose and all that stuff. But let me show you one more time. Okay, that car's going somewhere else. Okay. I don't hear anything, guys. Let me show you the other side without cutting camera here, just for a comparison. I don't think I could turn that other side with my fingers like this. I guess I can try. And it keeps spinning for 2-3 seconds, see? Okay. 1, 2 seconds, and it spins with just my fingers. It looks, you know, let me see if this bad side is the exact same, and if maybe I'm tripping. I'd even, well, I can't really use the same, I'll use the same hands. I think I could. It's, in fairness, it might be a tiny bit tighter, but I don't think it's a major issue. Let me see if I can. Honestly, it's about the same, isn't it? If I really, I want to get my fingers. It's a little tighter, but anyway, this is all just for checking out, learning and stuff. Either way, I have new rotors and new pads coming very soon. And because I've never done the rear rotors, of course I've done the pads. I'm going to replace the rear rotors this time also, just to hopefully cover this issue. Yeah, I didn't, you know, dive in too deep, but it seems obvious. Just for kicks, I may reverse those 2 rear tires just to make sure that nothing changes sides, just so I'm not insane. And also, while I was in here, just to be sure, I just made sure that all the shield is nice out. You know, different things people mentioned. I read it all. So we're going to see there. I'm going to open this up a little bit and we'll take a quick look. 13. Oh, okay, well, all right. I have to hold the inner nut here. A lot of times I don't have to do that. That's actually kind of something to note, you know. Maybe there is something strange here. Let's see. All right, 1 screw. This way. There we go. Oh, not quite enough. That's what she said. Oh, okay. Are you? Come on, you mother. Ah, I got it. Ah, Popeye forearms. I mean, move it a little bit. Come on, baby. Oh, I know what it is. Again, the back was turning with it. No wonder I was tripping out. That's why I wouldn't get loose. Hold the back here. I haven't done these in so long, I forgot. You probably do need to hold that nut. Okay. Yeah, I don't have the brake on right now either. You sure? Okay, I was nervous like the piston was gonna close or something. All right, that's fine there. I'll probably lube them since they're here. Well, that might just stay just all right. Let me get you a better look here. So this thing looks fine. Oh. And then down here also looks pretty good. Okay, they're all moving. I'm gonna rinse it all off, of course. The pad material itself looks fine, but I'm replacing the pads anyway when I do the rotors. I'll reseat these a little bit, just like this. Oops, now I gotta freaking crawl in there with a flashlight to get in that top tab. Oh well. Yeah, we'll just move everything around a little, see if it changes anything. Also I got new hardware for the new parts coming in, but the hardware also, the sliders, everything, you know, everything involved, I have to look at.